aim is how to derivative our integrate function in Python code. So this is our problem actually. I had kept with fluid mechanics by R.C. Hibbeler, example number 4.2. The velocity profile, I will read the first statement. The velocity profile, steady state laminar flow, water through a 0.4 meter diameter pipe by V is equal to 1 minus 25 r square meter per second, where r is the meter. So the velocity at each level will define 3 minus this. If you want to find velocity at 0.1 meter, you have to just put 0.1 and you will get our velocity at 0.1 meter. So now we want to find average velocity by this function. So we will integrate our function with this radius. So here you can see that our mass flow rate means volumetric flow rate will be integrate with this function 0 to 0.2 meter, and this is multiplied by this differential ring element thickness dr is selected. So our dA is 2 pi r into dr. So we will integrate with d into area. So 1 minus 25 r square 2 pi r dr, and now this q will be our input value with this, and we will define our divide with area, and we will got average velocity around this pi. So we will write in Python code. First I will write import numpy as np and import sumpy as sp. Now will sp dot initialize printing with use of latex is equal to matjack. It will give good result with good visualization result. So I will go for this result. So I will first import our 0.2 radius, and now we will define our symbol. R is equal to sp dot symbol r. It will define our symbol. Now we will define our symbol. So V is equal to 3 multiplied by 1 minus 25 multiplied by r multiplied by square. So if you want to display this function, V, now if you run this code, it will simply very good visualization property. So now we'll integrate our first dA is equal to this function 2 pi r and display dA, and now VDA is equal to V multiplied by dA. Display VDA. So this is 0.28 r, and this is multiplication of 6.28 r 325 r square. So this function is here. So now I will integrate this function. 0 to 0.2 meter. So I will integrate with Q, capital Q is equal to sp dot integrate VDA. Now we will input, means which respect to I want to integrate, R, and our upper bound value, means lower bound value is 0 and upper bound value is R1. So this 0.2 meter radius. Now I will display print Q, Q in meter cube per second, and our average velocity is Q divided by this pi r square cross r square, and I'll print our value, print V, meter per second. If you run this code, so here you can see that our value is 0.088. Sorry, I will write now we run this code. Our volumetric flow is 0.88. Now we'll round up to 2 digit and also round this 2 digit equal to, so our volumetric flow is around 0.90, our average velocity is 1.5. so if you want to see this result, so our means almost I will go for up to round up 3 and this 3, so you can see that our volumetric flow is around 1.188 meter cube per second and our average velocity is 1.5 meter per second. So by this way you can integrate with Python in Jupyter. It is very easy to download Jupyter and install, so go for that. Thank you guys.